Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Zoho. We'll dive into their fundamental differences, exploring how each platform is designed to serve distinct organizational needs. Notion offers a highly flexible workspace for notes, tasks, and wikis, while Zoho provides a comprehensive suite of specialized business applications. Understanding these core purposes will help you determine which tool best aligns with your workflow and objectives. Notion shines with its customizable blocks and database views, allowing users to build highly personalized workspaces for knowledge management and project tracking. Zoho, on the other hand, delivers specialized applications like customer relationship management, finance, and human resources, designed to streamline specific business functions. Notion's strength is its adaptability for diverse content, whereas Zoho's integrated suite focuses on comprehensive operational efficiency across departments. Notion offers a free personal plan and team pricing starting around $8 per user per month, making it accessible for various budgets. Zoho presents diverse pricing models across its many applications, with some starting as low as $10 per user per month. Notion scales effectively for knowledge bases and project management, while Zoho's extensive suite supports growing businesses needing integrated solutions for their entire operational landscape. Notion is ideal for individuals and teams seeking a flexible, all-in-one workspace for notes, projects, and wikis, offering unparalleled customization. Zoho is best suited for businesses requiring a robust, integrated suite of tools for customer relationship management, finance, and other core operations. Choose Notion for highly adaptable content creation and opt for Zoho when comprehensive business process management and automation are your primary needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.